Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on your Nintendo Switch so you can see things easier on your screen. Or maybe you're in a game and you want to go ahead and see something off in the distance a little bit easier. Well, this is very easy to do. When you turn this on, all you have to do is press the home button twice really quick. And then you can press Y to zoom in, or X to zoom in, and then Y is zoom out. And then you can lock it by pressing the home button right here, and then go back to your game. But it's very easy. So to do this, let's go back to the game here. Go to System Settings. Scroll on down to System. Go to the right. And then turn on Zoom right here. So I'm going to turn this off. You can zoom in by pressing the home button twice really quickly. And then you should be able to zoom in on any part of the screen that you want. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.